Euro USD daily forecast for Monday, the 3rd of November. This is the daily chart. The daily chart is bullish. Why? Because we had a market break of structure over here. And after a break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. So internally, the daily is bearish. But overall, market structure wise, it's bullish. So if we look at the internal structure, after this break of structure, we've had a pullback that's going on. Is the pullback over? No. Why? Because for a pullback to be over, the minimum that I'd like to see is a change of character, which will happen once we take out this candle. And after that, an internal break of structure, which for me would be this candle. So for me right now, the daily internal structure is bearish and we're playing the daily pullback. We probably will go down to this zone because we don't have anything kind of preventing this slide right now. So I expect the price to kind of come down to this. That's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour is obviously bearish. Why? Because we are in the daily pullback. And on the 4-hour, we've had a break of structure over here, after which we can expect a pullback to happen. Now, how will I know that the pullback has started? Well, for a bare minimum, I'd like to see a change of character over here. And maybe this also kind of signifies the internal break of structure. So if price goes up and then comes down, so I would be looking for longs to kind of catch the internal pullback that happens on the H4. We have this zone over here, which is a strongish kind of a zone. Why? Because this led to the break of structure. Well, actually, we came into this zone, we had a bit of a bounce and then continued further down. But yeah, as far as the market structure is concerned, this for me is bearish. We had a break of structure and after that we can expect a pullback to happen. Going on to the M15, which is also very well aligned with the bearish overall structure that we're looking at. So we had a break of structure here. After that, we expect a pullback. Was this pullback deep enough? No, not for me, because I would like to see at least a 50% pullback that happens. And for me, that 50% was going to happen if we cross this red line, which is the 50% mark. This is 61.8 and this is 70%. But price didn't really pull back. So this for me was not too much of a pullback. And I think this is going to continue. Now, for me, we know that we've had a break of structure. When do we know that the pullback has started? Well, as a bare minimum, we'd like to see a change of character. And after a change of character, an internal break of structure. Well, that hasn't really happened. We are running into a lot of strong demand over here. You can see from these wicks, price is not able to go below this level. So perhaps maybe this signifies the start of the pullback. However, we can never know where the market is going. Our job is only to react to what's really going on. So when London opens, which will be in another about hour and a half from now, we will need to see how price reacts. In my opinion, it will probably sweep all these lows over here and then continue on the pullback. So I would possibly expect, and that's just an expectation. The market, like I said, doesn't really have to do whatever I think, but I would expect, the price kind of sweeps all these lows and then it kind of goes on further to complete the M15 pullback. So that's my outlook as of now. Stay safe and may the markets be with you.